If you want to change text opacity in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make your text more transparent or fully solid, whether you're using basic text or Text Plus. This is super useful when you want your titles to blend nicely into your video, create a subtle lower third, or give your text a more polished, cinematic look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. Once you're on the Edit page, you'll have access to your timeline, media pool, and text tools all in one place. Next, look toward the top left toolbar and click the Effects button. This opens the Effects Library panel, which is where all your titles and other effects are stored. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the Library panel is expanded. Now in the sidebar, navigate to Toolbox, then click Titles. Inside this section, you'll see different text options available for your project. For simple text, you want the basic text title. If you want more advanced styling and control, choose Text Plus instead. Both work well, but Text Plus gives you more flexibility if you want to customize your design later. Once you've found the one you want, click and drag it onto a video track above your footage on the timeline. Make sure it sits on a track above the video layer, because that's what allows the text to appear over your clip. If it's placed below the footage, you won't see it the way you want. After adding the text clip, click it on the timeline so it becomes highlighted with a red border. This means the clip is selected and ready for editing. Selection is important here, because DaVinci Resolve only shows the settings for the active clip in the inspector. Now open the inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. If the inspector is not already open, click the button to bring it up. This is where you'll control things like size, position, font, spacing, and opacity. If you use the basic text title, click the Video tab at the top of the inspector. If you use Text Plus, you can stay in the Text tab. The layout looks a little different depending on which title you chose, but the opacity setting is still easy to find. Scroll until you see the Composite section. Inside that section, you'll find the opacity slider. This is the control that determines how visible your text is on screen. If you want your text to fade into the background and look more transparent, click and drag the slider to the left. The lower you move it, the more see-through the text becomes. If you want the text to be fully solid and stand out clearly, drag the slider to the right until it reaches 100. That gives you maximum opacity and makes the text look bold and clean. You can adjust it slowly and preview the result in real time, which makes it easy to find the exact look you want. A good tip is to use lower opacity for subtitles, watermarks, or elegant overlays, and higher opacity for titles that need to be read quickly and clearly. The best setting depends on your background footage and the style of your video, so it's always worth testing a few different levels. And that's it. You now know how to change text opacity in DaVinci Resolve 20 in just a few simple steps. Once you get used to the inspector, this becomes a very fast way to fine-tune the look of your graphics and make your edits feel more professional. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.